In other news, markets in India are bustling with Raksha Bandhan festivities. Kriti Vadhera explores the latest trends in Rakhis and the sweets that add a dash of flavor to this celebration of sibling love.
The festival of Raksha Bandhan is synonymous with the bond of protection and love between brothers and sisters. This year, the markets are brimming with innovative and delightful options for shopping that cater to every taste and style. From traditional to contemporary, there's something for everyone. Handcrafted Rakhis with intricate designs studded with pearls and gemstones continue to be a favorite among those who cherish tradition. Meanwhile, eco-friendly Rakhis made from organic materials like seeds and clay are gaining popularity, allowing you to celebrate sustainably.
We have a tradition to tie Rakhi to Lord Krishna also, so I have purchased one for him also. And besides this, I'll be buying some gifts for my brothers.
It has an emotional relevance because we want to celebrate the bond and togetherness we have with our brothers and sisters, with our siblings. So it's definitely special, and it also gives us, as sisters, a very good way to get some cash out of their pockets. So yeah, it's a special day.
Raksha Bandhan is incomplete without indulging in some mouth-watering delicacies. Traditional sweets like laddus, barfis and kaju katli remain evergreen choices. However, this year sweet shops are introducing exciting new varieties to tempt your taste buds. There's also a rise in demand for healthy alternatives like sugar-free mithais and gluten-free sweets, ensuring everyone can enjoy the festive treats guilt-free. Special gift items in dry fruits and healthy snacks is in much demand.
Right now, flavor of the market is dry fruit. People are being diet conscious these days, for we have made special gifts of dry fruits and berries.
Women eagerly applying henna on their hands during Raksha Bandhans is a cherished tradition filled with joy. The detailed patterns add an elegant touch to their festive look, reflecting excitement for the celebration.
I like Raksha Bandhan because I like to put mehndi on my hands.
As families flock to the markets, there's a palpable excitement in the air. Vendors are pulling out all the stops to showcase their best offerings, and customers are enjoying the myriad of choices available. With unique Rakhi designs and special gifts to choose from, this year's Raksha Bandhan will sure to be a memorable one. Whether you choose anything traditional touch or maybe new or exciting, the market has it all. With camera person Shiv Suman, I am Kriti Vadhera reporting from New Delhi for DD India.
And Kriti Vadhera now joins us from New Delhi. Kriti, for the benefit of viewers joining us from around the world, tell us more about the festival itself and its place in Hindu culture.
Well, good morning, Ramesh, and first of all, greetings to entire global viewers of DD India, to DD family, and to you also on this auspicious festival of Raksha Bandhan. Well, to begin with, when it comes to Raksha Bandhan, it is a festival of love and affection among siblings, in between siblings. And when I talk about the presence of this festival in Hindu scriptures, so it is right from the period of Mahabharata, where we can witness, where we have seen that Draupadi has tied a talisman on Lord Krishna's hand. So many such mythologically rich stories are there in Hinduism, which reflect the presence of this special bond between siblings, brothers and sisters. So today, yes, it is the auspicious festival of Raksha Bandhan, and Raksha Bandhan is always associated with the special time, special Muhurat, as we say in Hindi. So it comes in Shravan Mas. Shravan Mas is again a very mystically, spiritually rich month in Hinduism. It falls on the last day of this Shravan Mas, and today is the last day of Shravan Mas. It's a full moon night. So on this special day, this festival is celebrated. Sisters tie a talisman, a thread of love and affection to show their care towards their brothers, and on on the other hand, as a reciprocation, brothers give them a sense of protection, love and care. So this is the festival which India is celebrating today, and the markets were seen to be full of enthusiasm and with all sorts of beautiful gifts and sweets which are offered on Raksha Bandhan. And to bring it here, that again Raksha Bandhan, as I said, it's connected with special time, when to tie this talisman, this thread of Rakhi, which we say in Hindi, on our brother's wrist we tie. So today that special Muhurat and time would be falling after 1:30 p.m. So as of now, in morning only, we have seen that many people have started coming to sweet shops, buying special gifts. So this is what we are witnessing here in market areas of New Delhi. And to tell you here that yes, the world is turning organic, and we are talking about gluten-free sweets and dry fruits. All that was also seen in the market areas. And today morning, a very special Rakhi I have seen in market, which I would like to show my viewers. And it is made of flowers. It's a floral Rakhi. I would like to request my camera person to zoom in here. See, people have been talking about sustainability, and plastic banned Rakhi is also in the trend. So this is a floral Rakhi which we have seen here in the market. So with such special preparations, all Indians are ready to celebrate this poised festival of Raksha Bandhan.
Indeed, on that festive note, Kriti, thank you, appreciate it. Kriti Vadhera reporting.